Hello friends! Wishing you a Merry Christmas. May this Christmas bring joy to your heart and happiness to your home. So celebrating Christmas without Christmas cake, is it possible? No, not at all. So today I am going to make Christmas pound cake for you all. It is a simpler and easier version of traditional fruit cake. It is fully loaded of nuts, candied fruits and dried fruits. And the beautiful aroma of the spices makes it more flavorful and delicious. The shelf life of this cake is incredible. You can keep this up to 3 months in fridge. Do you know why? The longer you keep, the more this cake worth. Hope you will enjoy this video. So let me walk you through this recipe. First, take 500 grams of washed and clean grapes in a blender jar. Blend it until it becomes smooth. Now strain the juice into a large bowl. Press the pulp gently to get maximum juice out of it. Now for dry fruits, I have taken 50 grams of chopped apricot, 50 grams of chopped dates, 50 grams of chopped prunes, 50 grams of cranberry, 50 grams of blueberry, 100 grams of mixed black and green raisin, and 50 grams of fig. Now soak all these dry fruits into the grape juice. Now store it in a glass jar for 5 to 7 days in refrigerator. Now for making cake batter, take 400 grams of butter, whip it properly for 5 to 10 minutes. Now add 1½ cup of brown sugar gradually. Also add 1/4 cup of icing sugar. Now whip the buttercream for 5 minutes more. After whipping, add 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of curd. Now sieve 2 cups of all-purpose flour, two teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and sieve all the dry ingredients into this bowl. Also add 1/4 cup of almond powder. Now take 10 to 12 cloves and 2 sticks of cinnamon into a grinding jar. Now add half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder and the grinded cinnamon and clove powder into this mixture. Also add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it properly. Now add the soaked dry fruits into this mixture. Also add 50 grams of chopped cherries. Mix the batter. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped cashews, 1 tablespoon of chopped pistachios into this batter. Now transfer this batter into a greased pan and garnish it with cashews, pistachios and cherries. Bake it slowly for 1.5 hours at 150 degrees Celsius temperature. Now after baking, poke holes in the cake. Now spoon over around 2 tablespoons of grape juice. Feed the cake with grape juice every fortnight to keep it moist. You can keep this cake for 3 months in refrigerator also. So here the Christmas plum cake is ready. Hope you enjoyed the recipe and must prepare this Christmas cake in this Christmas Eve. If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press the bell button for getting new recipes. Thank you.